Hello folks, welcome back. This one was requested by two lovely patrons, Martin Steiger and Andy Bremner, both long-term patrons as well. Thanks ever so much for your support, chaps. Delighted that you both wanted this one because it's a great tune. I think the Pearl Jam have been closing with this one, and Martin mentioned that this is banging live, and I hadn't looked at it. So we're going to standard tuning. We're going to be mainly looking at the acoustic guitar part. So go get your acoustic guitar out. No need to plug in your amp or anything. And we're going to start with a 5-bar riff, which is the intro and the verse. Plays about 8 times. In fact, it plays exactly 8 times. And you're going to play this. And then you change to the C. And that second finger comes off there. That last note, okay? So fingering is important for this bit because you need to be able to get to the C. The second part's all right, the last 2 bars. I would fret a normal C chord, but for this part, you're going to need to get your little finger up to the 5th fret for one of the fills. So I would start with, you know, a normal G shape. And then change to the C quickly, okay? So you're basically playing all the way through with this. And then you change. So slowly. And that rhythm there is down, 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 down. Then, after 8 times of that, you go into this chorus part, right? Which is essentially F, C, G, right? But, and there is a little bit going on with the other guitars, so you're going to add your little finger onto the 3rd fret on the top E. So the first part is. Then we go to this C, add 9. And you play 3, 4, 1. And then to the G. So that slowly would be. Okay, so just a little bit of strumming at the end there. So, again. So down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Change to the G for this part. So you're just doing down, 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 up, down, down, up. 3 times of that, 4th time plays. Goes to that early. I've left it as all 4/4, kind of meter, makes it feel more like a bar of 4/4 for this bit. And a bar of 3/4 for this bit. And a bar of 4/4. 3, 4, and then a bar of 5/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. You'll hear it if you count though. Not loads more to go, but verse 2 then comes in 6 times with. Six times of that. Then we go into the second chorus, subtly different strumming patterns. I'll show you that on the G part. So we have. That G part is. So it's down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Four of those, then we go into this bit. Same deal as before where you could count it as 3/4 and 5/4. Again, I've left it tabbed as 4/4. And this is the only other section, right? It's like the middle section. So you've got two phrases. One plays 6 times, the other plays 8 times. There's only one chord difference, but this is really cool. It's my favourite bit of this tune, actually. So we have this 3, 4. Got that going on, right? So you go D minor with our little fill to a C, little additional note there, and you go to this G with like B in the bass, right? And then really nicely done, isn't it? Again, slowly. So 6 times around that, then you just replace the D minor with this F shape. And I think you do leave that G open, right? You'll hear one of the more distorted guitar parts playing that more clearly at this bit. But then we have so the rest of that's all the same. You've just got 4 of these. And then for the outro, you go to a regular F, I think, here. So you just play a... and you end with these chords. Which is chords now. So, again, we go F. Similar rhythm to earlier, right? Twice of that, and then this F shape with the G on the top to the C add 9. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.